Just going to record my laptop screen, which runs Windows 7. I have a bit of software on it called Prey, which is in order to track your laptop if it's stolen. At the moment, I've got a process called node.exe going absolutely mental on my computer. As I said, this is a bit of software called Process Lasso, which basically reins in bits of software that are causing your CPU to run badly. So there's the 4 cores of my laptop. Okay, and you can just look at how much it's using of the CPU, and then I'll just show you. So process name, node.exe, action, that's what it's doing. More information is that. As you can see, this is constantly changing because node.exe is constantly doing stuff. It's going absolutely mental. I've just got to do something. I just need to log out of Skype because I can tell somebody's about to message me, and I don't want their messages popping up while I'm making a video. I'll put it on again in a minute. So, and then command line. This is what's happening. So as you can see, Prey node.exe is going absolutely bonkers. And if I drag this line at the bottom so that I can fit on the first bit of information process, let's see, gives you is the time of what's happening. So as you can see, this node.exe is every few seconds it's doing something. You see how constantly, I've got a constant stream of stuff going on by time. You look, it's 9:33 PM and 41 seconds, 42 seconds, 44 seconds. Do you see what I mean? It's just constant. I've asked Prey before to explain what's going on, as in, could it be possible that Prey are updating the software that I've got on my system? So say I've got version 3, are they giving me version 4? Is that what's going on? I need an explanation for why Prey is causing my CPU to go absolutely mental. Okay, let me just move that slider that way, just in case there's any more information I'm missing. Just the command line information. That's as much as I can fit and show you Prey. And the reason I said is it's streaming constantly is because you're doing something constantly to my computer, and I want an explanation for it. So there's the amount of RAM that's being used on my computer. That's what's happening to the CPU. And obviously it doesn't show up here because Prey is like a hidden process. That's the whole point. Someone steals your laptop, they're not supposed to be able to know that the software is on there. So actually, let me quickly click on all processes, see if it shows up there. And I'm not going to show you all my software on there, that's private, but if I can find node.exe showing up on there, I'll show you it. Yep, it shows up. There you go, node.exe, and then it disappears. It's active, it disappears. It's active, it disappears. Can you see what's going on? So what else is it doing? So node, application name node.js. Is that JavaScript? Priority, that's for how you set up Process Lasso to handle it, as in to kind of rein it in when it goes bonkers. And then that tells you which cores it's allowed to use. And then it even tells you like the percentage of CPU it's using, but because Node keeps disappearing, I can't tell you which line to look at. You'd have to pause the video. If I come back out, let's have a look. Let's try and get Node to fit. Right now, yeah, 10.67% of the CPU it's using at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to put this on the internet, and I want Prey Project, I think it is, on Twitter to explain to me what is going on. Why are you hogging my CPU? What on earth do you think you're doing? And just so you know what kind of computer it is, it's not a piece of junk. It's an Intel Core i5 processor, which is fast. I've got 3 gigabytes of RAM, and I'm very annoyed with Prey. Look what it's doing to the CPU. So when I want to do anything else on the computer, obviously the computer's running slowly because Prey's going absolutely mental. And this has been going on for, I'm trying to think when I put my computer on, about an hour and a half. I had the computer off actually for a bit when I went outside, so it's maybe been doing this for about an hour. Anyway, Pray, you need to explain what the hell you're doing. This is not acceptable. I'm just going to one last time show you. Move that. There you go. Node.exe going absolutely spastic on me. So I need an explanation of this. I'm at home using my home internet connection. I'm not using a VPN or proxy or anything like that. This is a normal IP address I'm using, and for some reason Node's going mental. The laptop hasn't left the house. It's not as if Pray could be trying to track where I'm going or anything. This is my normal home address. What on earth are you doing, Node or Pray? Okay, and just to show you time, 25th of July, 9:37 PM. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.